Welcome back to Future Fuel, your ultimate destination for everything electrifying in the world of automobiles. Today we're diving deep into the 2025 Tesla Model S, a car that continues to set benchmarks in luxury technology and performance, erecting the body to adapt to the crisis. A bold evolution. The 2025 Tesla Model S has undergone subtle yet impactful changes, maintaining its iconic silhouette while refining the details. The sleek profile, flush door handles, and minimalist design remain, but Tesla has introduced new aerodynamic enhancements. These updates not only improve efficiency, but also give the car a fresh, futuristic edge. The front fascia now features slimmed-down LED headlights, giving it a more aggressive and commanding look. At the rear, the light bar has been redesigned to create a seamless flow across the car's width, enhancing its already striking road presence. Next-level performance. Tesla has always been synonymous with jaw-dropping performance, and the 2025 Model S continues to raise the bar. The Plaid variant, with its tri-motor setup, delivers a mind-boggling 1020 horsepower. This allows it to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds, an achievement that puts it in hypercar territory. For those prioritizing efficiency, the long-range variant offers an estimated range of over 405 miles on a single charge. Thanks to Tesla's advancements in battery technology, the new Model S not only charges faster, but also delivers consistent performance over extended drives. Interior, a tech wonderland. Step inside and you're greeted by a cabin that redefines modern luxury. The yoke steering wheel makes a return, offering a futuristic driving experience. However, Tesla now offers a traditional steering wheel option for those who prefer a more conventional feel. The centerpiece of the interior is the 17-inch cinematic touchscreen, which provides crisp visuals and seamless controls for everything from navigation to entertainment. Tesla's software updates have also enhanced functionality, introducing features like customizable driving modes and advanced AI-powered voice commands. Passengers in the rear haven't been left behind. With more legroom and an 8-inch rear display, the 2025 Model S ensures that everyone on board enjoys a premium experience. The seats are wrapped in vegan leather, and the panoramic glass roof adds to the sense of openness and luxury. Autopilot and safety. When it comes to autonomous driving, Tesla remains a leader. The 2025 Model S comes equipped with the latest version of Autopilot, which includes improved lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and traffic sign recognition. Full self-driving (FSD) capabilities are available as an upgrade, bringing Tesla closer to a future where cars drive themselves. Safety is another area where the Model S shines. With a 5-star safety rating and features like automatic emergency braking and collision avoidance, this car ensures peace of mind for both drivers and passengers. Charging and ecosystem. Tesla's supercharger network is expanding rapidly, and the 2025 Model S benefits from the newest V4 superchargers. These chargers significantly reduce charging times, allowing you to gain up to 200 miles of range in just 15 minutes. Additionally, Tesla's home charging solutions have become more efficient and easier to integrate, making the Model S a perfect fit for those looking to embrace a fully electric lifestyle. Screen. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Tesla Model S starts at a competitive $89,990 for the base long-range model, while the Plaid variant comes in at $109,990. With its unmatched blend of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology, the Model S offers incredible value for what it delivers. Final thoughts. Tesla has once again proven why it remains at the forefront of the EV revolution. The 2025 Model S isn't just a car, it's a statement of what's possible when innovation meets ambition. From its blistering performance to its industry-leading tech, the Model S continues to push the boundaries of what an electric vehicle can be. That's it for today's deep dive on Future Fuel. If you enjoyed this look at the 2025 Tesla Model S, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments what excites you most about the future of Tesla and electric vehicles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.